Hey guys, welcome to the 95th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use the ToolStrip control, and I'm also going to show you how to use the StatusStrip control. So we're first going to be looking at the ToolStrip control, so just go over to your toolbox and drag a ToolStrip onto your form. There's a ToolStrip right here, and basically a ToolStrip will just hold different options that your user can have. So in this right up here is a tool strip, and on this tool strip there's things called drop-down buttons, and on these drop-down buttons you see we have all these different options. Well, we can make these in C# right here. So in order to add a drop-down button, we're just going to click this little down arrow and click drop-down button, and this will just add a drop-down button to our tool strip right here. Now, as you can see under our drop-down button, we can type in items that we want to be displayed on our drop-down button. So if we just want to have open be an option and save be an option, then we just type those in, and you just type in the little boxes right there. So now when we debug and click this little down right here, we see we have open and save as options. Now if you wanted to have different options for save, like save as new or overwrite, then you'd have these as well. So now when you debug, you will see that this branches off into another one. We have two more options right here. Now right up here is only displayed the image, and if you want text to be displayed, go over to the display style and change that to text. Now it will display the text of this tool strip. So we're going to change that to something different. I'm going to call it file, because these operations right here pertain to a file, so I'm going to call it a file. So now we see file right here. So now we see file, and we click down on it, and we can have open and save. If you wanted to have the image and the text be displayed, just go to display style and change that to image and text. And now you see we have an image for it and text. If you wanted to have image for an option on your drop-down button, you can do that. Just select the drop-down button that you want to have an image on, and then just go over to the properties panel and go down to image, and then just browse for an image. But first we need to download an image, and a great website to download images is iconfinder.com. And once you're on here, just search for anything you would like. I just searched for open. So I'm just going to find an image that we want to have for our open right here. This one seems pretty good. Let's download it in PNG format. And then we're going to go back to C# right here and browse for the image that we downloaded. This image right here. Click open, click OK. And yep, as you can see right there, now the image for our open button is displayed. So now when we debug, click file open, we see this little image there, which makes it just look a lot nicer. You can obviously do one for save as well. You don't have to be limited to just drop-down buttons on your tool strip. You can also add other things if you wanted to add just a simple button. So if you wanted to have an image be displayed there, or again, you can change it to text. So if you wanted just to say about, and then change the display style to text, you see we now have a button about that just says about. We get more information about the program with this. You can also add things such as progress bars and text boxes and combo boxes. So if you wanted to have a combo box with a few different options inside of it, you can do that as well. The other thing that is interesting is a separator. And a separator you can't really do much with it, but basically it just separates different options on your tool strip. And right up here you can see, like, there's different, this separator just separates the different tools into groups. So all these have to do with files, like opening and saving them, so then we put a separator after it, and they have to do with other things, such as copying and pasting and stuff like that. And the other control that we're going to be looking at in this tutorial is the status tool strip. So just go over to the toolbox and drag a status strip over to your program right here. And basically a status strip is basically just used to display the status of something. And usually what you're going to want to use this for is just adding a label to it, a status label, and then basically just changing this when something is happening. So if you're opening a file, then you can change it to say like reading file. if it's saving, say saved, just things like that. So this basically just gives the status of what is happening on or going on in your application. You can also add progress bars, drop-down buttons, and a split button. Basically what that means is it's just a button with different options inside of it. So we could just add another option underneath this button, like save as, and this button was just like a save button. So yeah, those are just examples. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial on the status strip and the tool strip controls. So see you guys.